The last time when I originally showed you the Rivergate Spice recipe, I showed how to do it on chicken. We also found that it works really good on pork. These are steaks that were cut from a pork roast. I think they're inch and a quarter, and we're going to grill them. So kind of like the chicken, you just have to put the spice on. And it's powerful, so you don't want to get too crazy with it. And that's going to go in the refrigerator for 3 days, just like the chicken, and then we will grill it, just like the chicken. Okay, it's been 3 days. Got the grill nice and hot. Going to take our pork steaks. And we'll just see how long it takes to cook. Alright, it's the 10-minute mark. So we'll have a look-see. I got the burners on low. So that's what we got at 10 minutes. Okay, had another 10. I think it's getting pretty good. Probably have to cut into it to see how it's going to look, but looking pretty good. So I did just a slight bit of cutting. There's just a touch of pink in there. Just a touch down in the middle. So it isn't going to be but just a couple more minutes, I guess. So I gave it another 2 or 3 minutes. I think that's going to be just about right. So put them in our little container and shut them off. Kill that. And I guess we're about ready to eat. I hope it's going to be good. So there's our Sunday dinner. Looks perfectly cooked to me. It's got that Rivergate flavor to it. I think it's pretty good. Claudia, what do you think?
Good.
So, I guess the Rivergate Chicken Spice recipe is very successful on pork also.